Hi Sprinkles, I promise my YouTubers on my channel that I'm going to do an in-depth research on the most affordable, cheapest YouTube startup, as in the cheapest YouTube checklist that you can find anywhere. And this will make you not to go above your budget or break a bank. Research is concluded and done, and results are out. Keep on watching this video to learn, okay? Hello Sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on this channel. Please go through my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about 2024 most affordable, cheapest YouTube starter pack checklist. Okay, so keep on watching to learn. My Sprinkles, here are the most cheapest, most affordable YouTube starter pack for 2024. In fact, you can use this starter pack for all your social media platform. Okay, it's not only for YouTube. Okay, let's go through it. My Sprinkles, the first on my list, we all know, is the camera or your phone. Yes, this. With your phone, you can film on YouTube and you can film on all social media platforms. And with camera, you have different affordable type of cameras. You just have to type on Google types of affordable camera with their prices and you will see the prices. But if that is above your budget, you can go for this. This can do what camera can do. Yes, either Android or iPhone. Once it has a good camera, that is the only thing you need. With your phone camera, you can film on YouTube and in every social media platform. Okay, there's no rules that says that if you don't have a camera you cannot film on your phone. No, once you have a good phone that has good camera, that is the only thing you need and you're good to go. And also, same as camera has affordable type, there are good camera phones including Android or iPhone that ranges from 100,000 naira to 200,000 and so on. Everything is just what you have in your budget. And if you have your own phone presently, you can use it to film. You don't have to get a new phone. You just have to clean the lens and position it well and go to the good settings. Some of you don't know the correct filming settings on your phone, and that is the next video I would like to look into. Most of the time you might have a good phone but you don't know how to set your phone to have good quality videos. Now you have to look into that to be able to set your phone to film very well. Right now I'm filming with my phone and I'm filming on 2K, and this phone is just an Android phone and it's giving me what I have. I can upgrade to this one if I want, but I'm still filming with an Android phone because that's what I choose to film with, because it's easier for me to film and edit with it. You see, so there is no rules that say you must film with a very expensive phone. If you don't have the budget for that, you can go below and your budget will get you good quality things. Okay, let's move on to the next item on our starter pack. My Sprinkles, the next item on my list is tripod. Now when it comes to tripod, there's different types of tripod, and if you don't have money to get tripod, the long one or the short one, there's always a trick to this. When you're filming, you can stack books close to the window and film your video in peace. Lots of people do this when filming on their social media. Okay, in fact, nobody's going to know if you stack up books to film. Nobody's going to know. If you have little money on your budget, there's no problem. We have different types of tripod. We have the adjustable tripod, we have the handheld tripod, we have the selfie tripod, this type of tripod. We have the phone tripod, then we have tripod for cameras and for phone. Now I have this tripod. You can place this on your desk or on your table to film. You just insert your phone when you put the clip here, and you insert your phone and you just film. This is how it looks like. Very easy to carry around and very portable. Then I have this other tripod here that you can adjust and extend to how you want it. You can also call this selfie tripod, and it comes with a light like so. You just place your phone here and adjust it to fit. How cool is that? You see, very cheap. This tripod is not up to 10,000 naira, and it's long enough, and you can place this on your desk, on your table to film. It's very easy to carry around, very portable, and it's very lightweight. I have different other tripod that is like 18, 20, even 30, 40 feet long that it can cover and do other things. So it depends on your budget. What I'm trying to say is that all this tripod comes within different budgets. Any budget you have, there's a tripod for you. Any budget you have, there's a tripod to meet up with that budget. Okay, and you can start with this one, you can start with this one, you can start with any one. It's not a crime, and you will get the job done and get that content filmed. Okay, and also you can go to Google and type on different tripod to film. You will see them: long, short, small, big. There are different tripods out there to suit your budget, and these ones are extremely cheap, and the ones I'm using are not up to 10,000 naira, I'm telling you, and they get the job done. Okay, you can use this tripod for vlogging, and you can use it for sit down videos. Let's move on to the next item on my checklist. The third item on my checklist is lighting. We have different types of lighting, yes, and with lighting too, you can meet your budget. Even if you have zero budget, you can film with your natural light. As I'm filming right now, I'm filming with my natural sunlight, and I'm also filming with the lighting. Now, when filming on social media platform, YouTube and other social media platform, you don't have to use the most expensive lighting, which is not bad though, but you don't have to use it. You can start with whatever you have. That is just the aim. You can start with whatever lighting source you have. Okay, now there is different type of lighting to meet your different budget. Now if you don't have money for any lighting, you can use the natural sunlight, which is very clean and clear and crisp. Okay, every other lighting is just adding jara to what you have. Okay, there are also lighting out there that will meet your budget. We have the ring light, we have the LED, we have the soft box, then we have other ones like this one that is little. This is how this lighting comes in. You just have to attach it to any tripod, and this is it. You can film with it. It has 2000 mAh power source. This light is just for 8,000 naira, under 10,000 naira, and it is very powerful. This is small but mighty. It's very strong. Let me put it on for you. Once you just put on your tripod, any tripod, it can work on any tripod. Once you just put on your tripod, you can charge it with your power bank. You see how good this is. You can charge it with your power bank once you just insert it, and this is it. See how bright this light is. You see how bright, and you can increase it and reduce it. I don't know if you can see this, but it has a number there. It has a number you can use for increasing, it has a number you can use for decreasing. I don't know if you can see this. So this light is very strong. Use it to film your vlog, you can use it to film your sit down video, you can use it at night. It is very small and portable, and it is not expensive. Okay, if you have a budget of 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira can get you this light. Aim is to tell you don't have to break a bank to start filming on social media, to start creating content. You don't have to break a bank. Every item on my list have option. If you're broke and you don't have any money, there's option for you. And if you have a little bit of budget, there's option for you. There are more expensive lighting that will give you more full coverage light than this, but we're speaking on based on your budget. If you have budget for that one, good and fine. If you have budget for this one, good and fine. If you don't have budget for this one and your budget is, you don't have any budget at all, good and fine, you can use the sunlight. That is what I'm even filming right now with. Let's move on to the next and final item. The final item on my list is your microphones. There are some phones and camera that has good inbuilt microphone. You can use it if you don't have budget for a microphone. Now, there are also affordable microphones in the market, and I have a video on that affordable filming microphone that you don't have to break a bank to get. These microphones, they are no more than 10,000 naira. They are not even up to 10,000 naira. I hope you can see them. I have a detailed video on my channel where I talked about this in depth. In fact, I tested the microphone in that video. I did an in-depth talking about this. I tried the microphone, I tested it. So you need to watch that video so you will know a lot and more about these microphones. They are very good. You can use it for filming, and lots of content creators are using it. I'm sure you will have seen it. This is a wireless microphone and this is a lavalier microphone. This is how the wireless microphone looks like, and this is how the lavalier microphone. This is how it looks like with lot of wire and this pouch when you're speaking to filter noise. And this is why many people avoid it, because of the wire, but it gets the job done, I can tell you. In that video, I gave an in-depth insight about this microphone and everything it has to offer. I tested the microphone in that video, so you have to go and watch that video. I'll put the link in this video so you can also click and watch it and then come back to this one. Okay, there are other microphones that you can also use that can get the job done, but if you're on a budget, you can go for that. And if you don't have any budget at all, you can go for your inbuilt microphone in your phone or in your camera. Okay, now when you begin with any of these items I have shown you in this video, nobody is going to crucify you and nobody is going to say, why are you using this? And even if they say that, you just ignore them. That is what you have for now. That doesn't mean that is what you'll be filming with forever. That is what I started filming with, and I've moved to something else. And that is not even like it's a crime to film with it. There's so many people still filming with the wireless microphone, but I just decided to move to something better that will do more than the wireless microphone. Okay, only what people care about is if your video is clear enough for them to see your face, and if your audio is good enough for them to hear your voice. That is what they care about, as far as they can get the message you're trying to pass across, and as far as the message you're trying to pass across has value and your personality is relatable. That is the only thing that people want to know. They don't care about if you're using the most expensive gadget, the most expensive filming equipment. That doesn't concern anybody. What they want is the value they can get from you, and if they can relate with you through your screen, that is the only thing that matters. So work on your personality, work on the value you'll be able to share to people, and that is all that matters. People always come back to watch your content because they can relate with you and they can get value from your content. Okay, that is the only thing that matters. This 2024, we no go gree for anybody. There is no excuse not to start that content creation, not to start that YouTube channel, not to bring out that filming camera, not to film and not to do what you've planned to do. There is no excuses at all. I have broken it down in this video and I've gotten the most cheapest and the most affordable to meet any budget. This checklist, this starter pack can meet any budget. Don't snooze, don't sleep, just pick yourself and start that content creation journey in this 2024. Okay, at this point, my sprinkles, this is the end of this video and I know you've gotten value as usual. Please give this video a huge like help YouTube push this video to other viewers. It will make the algorithm know that you like this video. That means you enjoy this content. Definitely the algorithm is going to push it to other viewers. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you cannot join the community. Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys and I'll answer all your questions. And if you have a video you want me to film for you, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. And also, please don't forget to share my video so it can get to other viewers and people will learn and join this community. Please don't forget to stay safe out there and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.